All right, we have made it to Sebring, and we've done some testing. I tested with Al, the streaming team, and we got some things knocked out. So now Shirley and I are at the hotel, and check this out. I think I've got a plan. That's our view, and the cars are going to be starting from right there and driving, driving around into that area there. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna fly from here. I'm gonna fly from the room. Look, there's a patio and everything. I can set up my drone here, and yeah, just fly out. I don't even have to leave the room. Good plan. All right, we are going to the track for the last bit of testing, and actually today is not the main event. The main event is tomorrow. That's Sunday, and today is qualifying. So they're already drifting out there doing fun runs. And in about 2 hours they'll start the actual qualifying. So it's time for us to get out there and get warmed up and do what we do. Team Fly Day, yes!
There's the man, the drone pilot that does it all, Fly Day. And we have the setup. Check it out. Al's team here as well. Great day to do some flying.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day.
Here's the man, making it happen.
Aspirations, I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal, you control it, the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 yo. I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts and poison they ride. Head full of flies, so he come with vibes. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken. I got patience, one day at a time. It's how you operate a cadence. Afloat, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise to the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise to the sun.
Thank you, J-Tune Motorsports. This event would not have been as refreshing without you. I really appreciate it, man. I appreciate the splash.
Good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a 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 good day.